Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Bogasing G4 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here click add Bluetooth. Then press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. Now it should enter to pairing mode and we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!